Exiting from Python command line. To exit from Python command line, I have to type exit. If I type exit, it says. Usually when you type exit, you would want to exit the program. Why does the interpreter give me the above error when it knows I am trying to exit the command line? Why doesn't it just exit? I know it doesn't matter and it's a silly question, but I am curious.
In my Python interpreter, exit is actually a string and not a function. Use Ctrl-D, I.E.EOF, to exit. You can check on your interpreter by entering type exit. In active Python, what is happening is that exit is a function. If you do not call the function, it will print out the string representation of the object. This is the default behavior for any object returned. It's just that the designers thought people might try to type exit to exit the interpreter, so they made the string representation of the exit function a helpful message. You can check this behavior by typing str exit or even print exit.
This works for me. Best way to come out of Python prompt. Exit.
When you type exit in the command line, it finds the variable with that name and calls _repr_ or _str_ on it. Usually, you'd get a result like. But they decided to redefine that function for the exit object to display a helpful message instead. Whether or not that's a stupid behavior or not, is a subjective question, but one possible reason why it doesn't just exit is. Suppose you're looking at some code in a debugger, for instance, and one of the objects references the exit function. When the debugger tries to call _repr_ on that object to display that function to you, the program suddenly stops. That would be really unexpected, and the measures to counter that might complicate things further. For instance, even if you limit that behavior to the command line, what if you try to print some object that have exit as an attribute? With Anaconda 4.5 Plus and Python 3.6 Plus on Windows use. Or, in some cases, you might have to use. If your computer doesn't have break key, then see here.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.